Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best VR face cover is probably one of the most important accessories for any VR enthusiast. Prolonged VR sessions can often lead to discomfort and hygiene issues, but the right face cover can significantly enhance your experience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of VR face covers, exploring different materials, designs, and features to help you find the perfect fit for your virtual adventures. Number 5. Oculus Quest 2 Accessories Kit. This accessories kit is designed for the Oculus Quest 2. It includes everything you need to protect your VR headset and enhance your gaming experience. It's a cost-effective solution to keep your device in top condition. The silicone face cover is made of high-quality, soft material. It prevents light leakage and keeps sweat off the original pad. This makes the VR experience more comfortable and enjoyable. The controller grip covers add comfort and improve grip. They have precise cutouts to ensure the controllers function correctly. This gives you better control during gameplay. The shell cover protects the headset from accidental damage. It fits tightly and allows for proper heat dissipation. This helps to extend the life of the device. The disposable eye covers protect the part where the skin directly contacts the VR equipment. They are soft, breathable, and protect against sweat, sebum, and dirt. It's perfect for sharing the headset with others. The kit includes a silicone face cover, a shell cover, 2 controller grip covers, a lens cover, and 5 disposable eye covers. All of these accessories are designed to work perfectly with the Oculus Quest 2. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of accessories, making it a great value. It protects your VR headset with full coverage, ensuring its longevity. If you're looking for a complete package to enhance your VR experience and protect your investment, this is the one for you. What people say. The face cover is easy to install and remove. It is comfortable to wear for extended periods. The design allows for good ventilation. Number 4. SUPERUS Oculus Quest 2 VR Face Cover. This VR face pad replacement set is designed to enhance your experience. It improves hygiene, immersion, and comfort, making those longer VR sessions much more enjoyable. The facial interface bracket features passive air vents to boost air circulation. This helps reduce fogging and pressure, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world. Made with PU leather and sponge foam, this cover keeps your headset clean and dry. It makes extended VR gaming more hygienic, so you can easily share the fun with others. The ergonomic design fits various face shapes, bringing you closer to the display. This offers a wider field of view and a tighter fit, increasing comfort during long VR sessions. Installation is simple, just snap it in and you're ready to go. Cleaning is also easy, just use a cloth or wipes to remove sweat and grime, and it'll be fresh again in no time. What we like. This face cover enhances VR immersion with its ergonomic design and improved air circulation. The sweat-proof PU foam keeps things hygienic, and the wider field of view makes your experience more engaging. If you want to enjoy longer, more comfortable VR sessions with a clearer view, consider this. What people say. It snapped into my Quest 2 really easily. I love that it has vents so that it does not fog up. The cushion part is absolutely comfortable, easy to clean and get better immersion whenever you play your games. Fit perfectly. Great economical replacement for the Oculus Quest as original was made of spongy material which crumbled over time. This one has a PVC coating which seems more durable. Muy comodo, mi hacía falta uno. Buon producto. Number 3. CNBEYOUNG Quest 2 VR Face and Lens Cover. This is the perfect accessory kit for your Quest 2. It includes a face cover and lens cover, designed to enhance your VR experience. They are designed to make your VR experience more comfortable and enjoyable. The face cover is specially designed for the Quest 2. It's skin-friendly, sweat-proof, and comfortable. It's also easy to install, remove, and clean, ensuring a hygienic experience. The face cover is made of high-grade, environmentally friendly silicone. This ensures it's safe, hygienic, and won't irritate your skin. It provides an improved and more comfortable experience during use. The lens cover is made of fabric material. It's easy to use, washable, and protects your lenses. It's scratch-proof and sun-proof, preventing aging and damage. Both the face cover and lens cover are washable. You can easily clean them after use. The lightweight design ensures easy installation and removal, without interfering with any functions. The package includes one face cover and one lens cover for your Quest 2. Get ready to enjoy your VR adventures with friends and family without any worries. What we like. This face cover is made of skin-friendly silicone, ensuring comfort during use. The included lens cover protects your lenses from scratches and the whole set is easy to clean. If you value hygiene and ease of maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very comfortable, very easy to clean, just wipe with antibacterial wipes and you're done, no more waiting for the sponge to dry. It's a nice, cushioned buffer between all that hard plastic and a soft human face. This cover fits perfectly and is definitely sweat-proof. Number 2. Sonicgrace Oculus Quest 2 VR Accessories. This VR cover set is designed for the Oculus Quest 2. It uses a stronger and more durable frame bracket. The removable foam face pad improves immersion and comfort when you play, elevating your VR experience. The protein leather face pad is 3D, shaped to perfectly fit your face without irritation. It's easy to install in your VR headset. The wider and thicker cushion reduces facial pressure effectively. This set includes a PU leather foam pad and a pad with breathable holes. The L-shaped vents improve air circulation and reduce fogging. This provides a more comfortable game experience. The face cover comes with a customized glasses spacer, making it comfortable for glasses wearers. It also protects your lenses from dirt and dust. The nose pad prevents light leakage and keeps steam from fogging up your vision. Our local team offers 24/7 support. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We are committed to resolving any issues and providing unconditional refund services. What we like. This face pad features an upgraded comfort design with a breathable surface and an anti-leakage design. The breathable design helps to reduce fogging, and the anti-leakage design enhances the immersion. If you are looking for a more comfortable and immersive experience, you should consider this. What people say. Fits good, very comfortable, way better than the default face pad. Comes with 2 pads. Waterproof features that helps a lot in this heat. Also, the cover of the lenses to keep it off helps. Number 1. Treela 200 PCS Disposable VR Face Mask. This package includes 200 disposable VR masks. It's enough for individual use and replacement. You can also share them with your partners and family. This face cover measures about 20.5 by 11.5 centimeters. The size is suitable for most people, so you can use it with confidence. The VR eye mask cover is made of non-woven fabric. It's safe, soft, comfortable, and skin-friendly. It's sanitary and practical, and can be used for a long time. The VR mask can effectively absorb sweat during VR exercise. This means you won't need to wipe your face as often while exercising. It's a nice feature to have. This VR mask is suitable for various scenarios. It's great for VR entertainment during family gatherings, for VR business users, and in VR experience stores. You will be satisfied with it. What we like. These disposable VR face masks are made of breathable non-woven fabric, ensuring a sanitary experience. They're perfect for sharing VR headsets with others. If you need a hygienic solution for VR use, especially in shared environments, you should consider these. What people say. The facial interface is well designed and comfortable. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly. The face cover effectively blocks light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.